Well, today we have here this device, which we are going to be able to recover in an easy and simple way. In this video tutorial, we are not going to use a PC. We are going to use a completely PC-free method to recover our device since it has a screen lock and also has a forgotten Gmail account. As we can see here. So what we did was reset it. We reset it, and when we reset our device, it ended up with this screen lock. You can see that little padlock on the left side. At the top, we found that padlock. So what are we going to do? We're going to be able to recover our device. We're going to explain step by step what you're going to do. The first thing we have to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network before starting the recovery process. We're going to click here on Skip. Now we're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and then we'll start this process. We also want to recommend that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we have a completely different method for those who want to try other additional methods. You can go the video description or the first pinned comment, you'll be able to find methods for PC and other methods without a PC. Okay, here we're giving you the tour of our device. We're going to click here to accept and continue. Then it will take us to where our screen lock also includes the Google account. We'll wait a few seconds until we reach that point. Once we get there, we apply the recovery process to our device. We also want to recommend that those who regularly watch our video tutorial and want to be active and support us can join our YouTube members community. Those who want to join our community and support us can do so. The benefit would be that we'll be attentive to all your comments in that community, and we'll also be posting videos in advance from the YouTube members community. As we can see here, we're going to click where it says, Don't Copy. We select this, Don't Copy, option, and it will take us directly here from where the screen lock appears. As you know, previously, what we had was our screen lock. What we did was reset our device, and then it came back with this same screen lock. Now, it also says, Use Google account. For those who know what their Google account is, they can enter it directly. From here, they enter it, click Next, and then enter the password. This way, they will be able to access their device without needing to watch the entire video tutorial. But for those who might not know their email or password, well, here it indicates that we can also add a phone number. We can also add a phone number. We click Next, and then it will send a verification code to our phone. For those of us who have this device, we shouldn't have the SIM card entered here on this phone. Won't the verification. That said, what we're going to do for people who don't know any of the steps, we're going to click here where it says, Forget Gmail. We're going to write anything here. We're going to do this too. This is to enable a function later on. We're going to do this for about 35 seconds. We'll do it when those 35 seconds have passed. Then we're going to go back to start the recovery process. That's why it's always recommended to watch the video tutorial step by step without skipping ahead so you don't miss any details and can solve this recovery of your device. As we said at the beginning of the video, our device had a screen lock. What we did was reset it. Then, when we reset it, it was completely locked. Now with the Google account also with the same lock we had from the beginning. Now what we're going to do is go back. We go back, we click back, we click back, we click back, we click forward. Now this will take us to this section. We're going to click here where it says Motorola. We'll give you the last option, scroll down. Click here where it says Motorola.com support. Then click here on the profile that appears here. Then what we're going to do is click here where it says Google. While we're here on Google, this option will appear that says Help. We select this Help option. When we select this Help option, it will take us to this section. Here, this magnifying glass will appear. In this magnifying glass, what we're going to do is click here on the magnifying glass, up and down, until the text is selected. Once that text is selected, we're going to click here on Share. We click on Share. Well, as we can see, here we have these options. What we're going to do is select this message that appears here. We're not going to go through the option we used before, which was YouTube. We're not going to go into YouTube anymore because it doesn't let us do anything. When we click on YouTube, it's no longer working. Clicking on YouTube takes us nowhere. What we're going to do is take a picture. We'll take a picture. Click the arrow. Click here on the photo, and then this share option will appear. You're going to select the share option. Now, what you're going to do is search here for Google Maps. Yes, Google Maps. We're going to click on it. Click here on Google Maps. Now it will take us directly to Google Maps. We're going to click here on Skip. We're going to click all of them. The permission that appears here, we're going to click here. Then we click on Cancel. Then we delete this. We click on it, we say yes. And we'll be left directly here where Google Maps appears. The Google Maps application is now fully open. Now, being here in this section, what we're going to do is click here on this little circle, and now we're going to click here where it says Settings. We're going to click on Settings. Then we're going to click here on Notifications. Enable all these notifications. Go back, check that the notifications are enabled. When they are fully enabled, we go back again. Click here on Location, click OK. Click on Accessibility. We're going to enable this accessibility menu. Go back, now we're going to click here on Google Location Settings. Here we're going to click where it says All. Then what we're going to do now is click on the three dots. Click here where it says Show System. Here we see the Google Play services. Now that the Google Play services appear here, we're going to let's see what this magnifying glass is. We're going to click on it and type Accessibility. We'll delete it letter by letter until we see Accessibility. We'll type Accessibility again, select it, and click here where it says Accessibility menu. We'll enable this menu. Okay, now that it's fully enabled, we'll go back and delete this. We'll type battery in battery. We'll see the option that says battery usage. We'll click on it. Select the option that's automatically highlighted and select it. Now we're going to scroll down, down, and down. When we scroll down, we'll find Google Play services. Now we have to disable these Google Play services. Once these Google Play services are disabled, we're going to restart our phone. When our phone has completely restarted, we'll be finished. The recovery process that's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can fix your device. Now, what we're going to do is wait for it to start. Once it starts, we'll complete the process. Another thing I want to mention is that for those who regularly watch our video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel so you're not alone. I've activated our next video tutorials. I also want to tell you that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, you'll find other completely different methods. Additional methods that you can also apply. You can apply all of this here. Now, what we're going to do is take us to this section. When we get here, where we see the option to check for updates, what we're going to do is go back. I also want to tell you that when we recover our device, there might be some errors left. How do we fix these errors? Well, I'll explain how you can fix the errors on these devices. If you see that more than a minute passes and it doesn't take you anywhere, then what you're going to do is this. Go back. Click here where it says, continue offline. Click accept and continue, and it will take you to the error we're looking for. Don't worry. Now, what you're going to do here is the following. How are we going to enable Google services? We can also enable them from that section where we go to privacy policy. From there, after we go into the magnifying glass and copy the text, and from there we go to Gmail. We just go into Gmail and it lets us enable Google services. That would be one of the fastest options. We'll explain how we're going to do it. We're going to connect. Again, we connect now, and it will take us directly here. We click on policies. We'll go in so you can see it. We click here on the last option that says Motorola.com support. We click here on the profile that appears here. We click here on Google. Here we're going to give help. We click here on help, and then it will take us to the same section. The same section where we started everything. We're going to click it again. We're going to wait a few seconds. It seems like it got stuck. This is what sometimes happens. I also want to say that sometimes we get some errors, and this way we're going to be able to correct these errors that make it slow. We click here. We click again on share. Here what we're going to do is select Google. We select Google. We click here on skip. We click here on enable. We're going to go in again. We click here and enable. But it seems that it's already letting us enable Google services here. It seems that it's letting us. Well, if it's letting us, then let's go to the next method. What we're going to do is click here on these three dots. We're going to click here where it says Google Assistant. Then we're going to click the magnifying glass. Here, we're going to type battery, we type battery. If not, we delete letter by letter that appeared. We select the option that is selected. And then we're going to look here for Google Play services. We're going to enable it, we enable it, we go back. Back, once it's enabled. If you have any SIM card inserted, I recommend removing that SIM card. When you remove the SIM card, you click here where it says continue offline. You click accept and continue indirectly. It will take you to Google services. You'll accept. Then you'll click skip, wait for it to load, and then repeatedly say, not now, not now. Not now, and not now. You'll click next. Then finish, and now our phone will have some errors. How do we fix these errors? The screen freezes. When the screen freezes, we can see it here. So what we have to do is go to settings. Go directly to settings, and in settings, go to the last option where it says system. Then you'll click reset and reset your phone. When your phone is completely reset, you'll have a brand new device, free of any errors. It will be reset without so much complication, giving you full access.